Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've been freaking out a lot in the last couple weeks, the last couple of days, thinking about coronavirus, hearing about coronavirus from everywhere. I hope you guys are safe and you and your loved ones are healthy and doing well. Today's video is basically me looking for something to distract me from my anxiety, and I personally can't think of a better distraction than Harry Potter. I'm a huge Harry Potter fan, and I actually have one Harry Potter related video on my channel, which was so much fun to film, so I wanted to do something similar. But in this one, we are going to be unboxing a Harry Potter subscription box. So I basically went online, I googled best Harry Potter subscription boxes, and I came across Accio. Accio is hosted on Cratejoy, which is a website with a bunch of different subscription boxes. There are a couple different sizes that you can choose from. I think I ordered the large box for $39.99. I also paid $10 for shipping, and I was able to also choose my Hogwarts house. They had lion, eagle, snake, and badger to represent your house. Probably because of copyright, I chose lion because I identify with Gryffindor the most. So the box is already here. This is what it looks like. It's not a huge box, even though I got the large one, and it's pretty light too, but I hope that the items would still be cool and unique. I'm super excited to dive into it, so let's get started. Okay, so we are ready to unbox the box. Okay, so let's get into the items. The first thing that I'm seeing is this temporary tattoo, I think, and it says Lumos. The tattoo is from Momentary Ink. I haven't heard of them, but they have their Instagram, and there is some instructions on this card. I think I might actually try the tattoo right now in this video. I'm gonna insert a clip right now of me trying it, but before that I'm gonna open up all the items. We have another little packet in here. Oh, that's for the tattoo. Okay, so the next thing that we're getting looks super awesome. I don't know what it is. I know it's the spell that calls for the dark mark, Mors Mordra. Please guys, don't hate me if I mispronounce it. I'm not the best at English, and I'm not the best at pronouncing stuff from Harry Potter, but it looks really pretty. I thought it might be a sticker, but it doesn't look like a sticker. Might be a bookmark actually when I think about it, but it's really, really beautifully made. And I'm gonna be using it as a bookmark. I don't know if it is, but it's really awesome. Next up, we're getting a graphic t-shirt, which I'm so excited about that because I love t-shirts. Ooh, I love this. It says they're quite gentle, really. I think that's a quote from Luna where she tells Harry about Thestrals. I love this dark gray color. It's very soft, really high quality. I'm super excited about this shirt. I'm definitely gonna be wearing it a lot in the spring and summer. So it's a men's t-shirt, but I'm totally fine with that. I have zero problems because I can tie it, I can cuff the sleeves a little bit, and it looks super cute, I think. So I'm totally gonna wear it, that's for sure. I really love that this t-shirt is very subtle, and it's not like obvious Harry Potter merch in your face. I love things like that are just subtle, and only people who like the same thing can actually tell you're wearing a Harry Potter shirt, but I really love this one. The next thing that we're getting is this absolutely amazing pin. First is really big, amazing quality. I'm gonna open it and see in a little bit, but I've been obsessed with collecting pins lately, and I plan on sticking them on my denim jacket, and I'm definitely gonna put this one as well. It is a picture of Hogwarts with a box of Bertie Bott's beans in front of it, and it's super cute and colorful. I really love it. I'm gonna remove it from the packaging just to touch it and see the quality. It's really heavy and sturdy, and I am extremely happy with this pin. I think there is one more thing in the box. Wow, what is this? It looks amazing. I think it's a print of Luna. This is what it looks like. Luna and the Quibbler. Luna is not my favorite character. She's actually quite annoying to me, to be honest. but this is so beautiful and such high quality. I'm definitely gonna frame it and display it somewhere. I love it. And then we're also getting a little card with everything explained, and this is actually a bookmark, so I'm excited. And they also tell you the value of everything. So the value of the t-shirt is $25, the Lumos tattoo is $10, the pin is $15. Pins are actually really expensive. I buy most of my pins on Wish, so they are just a couple bucks, but I see how this can be expensive and it's amazingly high quality. The bookmark is $9, which I probably wouldn't pay, but I totally appreciate it and I think it's very unique and very beautifully made, very intricate. And then the watercolor print is $12. So the value of this box comes out to $71. I can definitely tell that all the items were really high quality and very unique, so I feel like $39 for this was totally worth it. I don't know if I'm gonna subscribe to it to get it every month, but I think if you are a huge Harry Potter fan and you want to get unique Harry Potter merch in your mailbox, I would definitely recommend it. I think it's a really cool box. So I'm gonna be applying the tattoo now, and I decided to put it here on my arm. Oh my gosh. Wow, you guys, I love this. Let dry about 3 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 3 minutes.
Sure, 3 minutes. And that's starting now.
Okay. Okay, time's up. So now we're gonna teal it, whatever that means. Final result. I think it's super pretty. I like it a lot here. I think it looks really cool. So now I think I have to be extremely careful for an hour. I have to be careful not to twist my arm or sweat or anything like that. And I think I should be fine. I don't know how long it lasts. I'm curious. It doesn't say. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you like my content, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye guys!